Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you're here, my name is Tara. With all of this social distancing and self-isolation, many of us have spent a lot more time watching viral YouTube and TikTok videos. So today, I thought it would be super fun for us to make TikTok's mini pancake cereal. This recipe is super fun, super delicious, and you guys are gonna absolutely love it. Before we get started, if you have not already, I would love for you to be a part of this community. You do that by hitting the red subscribe button that's right below this video, and be sure to click the bell icon. That way you're notified each time I post a new video. If you guys are ready to make these super delicious mini pancakes, smash that like button and let's jump right into the video.
First, we're gonna grab some flax meal.
I'm using ground flax meal because I did not have any eggs on hand. Ground flax meal not only will bump up the nutritional value and also fiber content, but it will keep these pancakes vegan so everyone that you know will be able to enjoy them.
We're gonna add that to a small bowl along with some water. All of the measurements will be in the description box below. Give that a nice stir, and then we're gonna set that aside for it to gel up. Then, in a medium-sized bowl, we're going to add some oat flour. I made mine by pulsing whole oats in my blender, some tapioca flour. You could also use cornstarch or arrowroot flour, vanilla, cinnamon, Monkfruit Extract. You can use any type of granulated sweetener that you prefer, some salt, some almond flour. This is going to pump up the protein content. And I'm using unsweetened almond milk. You can use any type of milk that you prefer. Some Apple Cider Vinegar. This is going to help to keep these pancakes super light and airy. And by now, our flax egg should be perfectly gelatinous. So we're going to add that right into the bowl. I love this recipe because it's so easy and all you need is a big mixing bowl. Then we're going to add our baking powder. I'm adding it now. You could have added it before the flax egg, but it works either way. Give it a good mix. You don't want to over-mix this. You just want to make sure everything is combined. Now, because I'm making mini pancakes, I found it to be much easier for me to put it inside of a little squeeze bottle. Once the skillet is hot, we're going to squeeze a little bit of batter and try to make them roughly the same size. These are going to cook very quickly, so you need to move quickly. Then we're going to flip them over, let them cook about another minute or so, and then remove them from the pan. Look at these perfectly cooked pancakes. We're going to repeat this until all of the batter is used. Then I'm adding some pure maple syrup.
These pancakes are super adorable, but also labor intensive. In the future, when I remake this recipe, I'm just gonna make bigger pancakes because it's so much easier. If you wanna make them miniature like this, or for your kids, they're super fun. It was fun to eat it with a spoon. Wasn't exactly like cereal, but it was still delicious. I hope you enjoyed today's video and that you have a chance to try it. Let me know any other recipe ideas that you have in the comments below for a future episode. I'm gonna leave a short playlist of more delicious recipes on the screen right here if you'd like to check that out. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.